Broski, broski, we all need to agree on something. All retail traders be like price is manipulated. Yes it is. And guess what? The CFTC literally tells you who's doing the manipulating. Every Friday, man. You see this supermarket receipt looking document? This is literally the cheat sheet traders keep ignoring because reading is hard. Let's dumb this down. The COT report is like the attendance list for all market participants. We have three key players: commercials, the actual smart money; non-commercials, the hedge funds; then we have retails, you and me, the liquidity, the peasants. Now lock in. Every week the US CFTC tells you, hey broski, here's what the big boys are buying, shorting, and even holding. Why it matters, you ask? If you are long Euro USD and on the COT the fund managers are dumping Euro like spoiled milk, maybe, just maybe, you're on the wrong side of the story. COT tells you who's stacked long versus short across all major futures: the Euro, the Japanese yen, the pound, gold, oil, you name it. Now pro tip for you, bossman. The COT report isn't about timing the markets. We use supply and demand for that. It's about knowing the macro bias. It's confluence, but smart confluence. Let's move on to reading the COT reports without crying, of course. Go to the CFTC website, click the legacy reports because we are OGs like that. Find your asset. You could cry a little, then look for this. For example, take the Euro FX futures for example. Longs and the shorts, then find the net position. That's bullish. Boom, done. But not so fast. We need to monitor the behavior over time. That's why I plot net positions using a tool I share for free in my Discord. Link in the description. The tool is called the Cause Raw COT. I have variations of this which plot the COT data into an index, but that's for another video. Notice how every time the commercials are at extremes, price reverses. For example, here. Here. We also have this here. This is how I use it in my trading. 1. For trend confirmation. Is the smart money aligned with the trend? 2. For reversals. When the market is trending but COT is diverging hard. Pair this with technical analysis and it's game changing. Here's the catch though, because of course there's always one. The COT report is lagged. It is released every Friday. So it's not for scalping. It's for swing traders and people with at least a 3-day attention span. Also, it covers futures, not spot forex, so match your futures code. Spot forex is just a derivative of futures. That's why I use futures for analysis, then execution on the CFD. And unfortunately, it doesn't tell you entries, just positioning. So stop crying about manipulation and start stalking hedge funds like a proper forex degenerate. Like if you learned something, subscribe if you hate being on the wrong side of the trade, and comment your favorite COT setup or just